welcome back. I'm sure you all are doing wonderful. How is the weekend going? Wonderful, right? So, today I wanted to share a wonderful thing with all of you. That is nothing but on Women's Day, we have launched a training program for women that is called How to Become a Strong Woman. Right? So, first of all, let me thank each and every one of you who listened to our videos and given the feedback to us. Right? I really thank you because your feedbacks makes a big difference in my life. Right? And for those who are yet to see the program, and I'm going to have a walkthrough for all of you to simplify the process, right? So I'm going to show you how to access this particular course for women through our website. And before getting into the process, let me tell you, this course is nothing but how to become a strong woman. In this course, this is a free course available for you, right? Because all other training programs are paid one. So this is a free course which I launched on Women's Day. This is a gift from me for our wonderful women, right? This programs talk about how to become a strong woman. Anybody can view that, not only just for women, because the strategies I'm sharing there is applicable for everyone, right? So it's all about how to identify your weakness, right? And how to strengthen it. And it is all about how to set your how to dream and how to set your vision and how to achieve it. So these are the main topics we are sharing in this particular video course, and this is a free video course, and I'm going to show you right now how to access this course free of cost through our website. Okay, so what you have to do is check out this flow which I'm going to share with you, right? So my dear friends, I'm going to show you how to access the course How to Become a Strong Woman through our website eminentdigitalacademy.com. Listen to me carefully. So what you need to do is go to www.eminentdigitalacademy.com. So when you enter, you will get a page like this. Scroll down. Then you can see something called How to Become a Strong Woman, the modules, and there's an image. There is an option View Course. Okay, click on this. So once you click on this, you will get a window where if you're already registered, you can log in here. Or if you're new to the page, new to Eminent Digital Academy, first time accessing our website, there is an option sign up. Click on the sign up and then register with us. When you click on the sign up, you will get a window like this. Enter your name, email address, phone number, passwords and everything, and do the verification. Then click on sign up. So after finishing the sign up, you will get an email to your inbox. You can, after that, what you need to do is, after finishing the sign up, again go back to the home page, or click on, or go back, or I'll show you from the home page. Again click on View Course. Then there is an option Login. So enter your email address and password and log in here. I'm going to just enter. I'm logging in. So once you log in, you will get a page like this. This is the course page. Actually, the value of the program is 1,500, and we are giving you absolutely free of cost because it is a special gift from me on the Women's Day of 2021. So now this course is How to Become a Strong Woman. Scroll down. You can see the course content. The first one is Introduction, and there is a video. Click on this. And the window will open like this. The video will open like this. And this is you can listen to this video, and then you can see all the modules below. What is making you weak? The video is here. And how to strengthen your weak areas? The video is here. How to dream? The video is here. How to set the vision? The video is here. So this is how you can click each and every video link and then listen to the video. So this is how you can access this particular course through our website. My dear friends, this is very, very much free. So go through it, right? I wish you all the best. So my dear friends, I'm sure you understood how to access the training program, How to Become a Strong Woman through our website eminentdigitalacademy.com. So what you need to do now? Just access it, just listen to it. right? And apply in your life, right? And enjoy your life. Also give me feedbacks, right? How you felt about the program. What do you want more from me, right? So all these things kindly write to me at info@eminentdigitalacademy.com. So waiting for your feedback, right? So wishing you a wonderful weekend, my dear friends. Enjoy the weekend. Take charge. Thank you so much.